Question number 1. Which animal's milk kills people? Option A horse, B yaks, C tiger, D goats. Answer is option C tiger. Question number 2. Which male animal gives birth? Option A seahorses, B turtles, C starfish, D sea lions. Answer is option A seahorses. Question number 3. Which animal gives us blue milk? Option A reindeer, B camel, C horse, D hippopotamus. Answer is option D hippopotamus. Question number 4. Which bird can hunt the tiger? Option A vulture, B ostrich, C falcon, D peacock. Answer is option B ostrich. Question number 5. How many stomachs does a giraffe have? Option A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Answer is option D 4. Question number 6. Which animal can see everything even with its closed eyes? Option A horse, B camel, C snake, D bears. Answer is option B camel. Question number 7. Which animal has 32 brains and 300 teeth? Option A earthworm, B snail, C leech, D crabs. Answer is option C leech. Question number 8. Who is called the king of birds? Option A eagle, B dove, C swan, D crane. Answer is option A eagle. Question number 9. Which bird drinks water while flying in the air? Option A harial bird, B cuckoo bird, C blackbird, D hummingbird. Answer is option A harial bird. Question number 10. Which country has no mosquitoes? Option A Russia, B Iceland, C Norway, D Finland. Answer is option B Iceland. Question number 11. How many kilometers away can we hear the lions roar? Option A 3 kilometers, B 5 kilometers, C 8 kilometers, D 7 kilometers. Answer is option C 8 kilometers. Question number 12. How long can a spider live without eating or drinking? Option A 5 years, B 10 years, C 15 years, D 6 years. Answer is option B 10 years. Question number 13. Which animal has heart in its head? Option A shrimp, B sloths, C hippo, D sheep. Answer is option A shrimp. Question number 14. Which animal drinks water through the nose? Option A zebra, B giraffe, C elephant, D dinosaur. Answer is option C elephant. Question number 15. Which animal can live more than 200 years? Option A elephant, B tortoise, C tiger, D leopard. Answer is option B tortoise. Question number 16. Which animal's blood color is green? Option A blue whale, B lizards, C crabs, D lobsters. Answer is option B, lizards. Question number 17. Which animal can stop breath for 6 days? Option A, cheetah, B, snake, C, spider, D, scorpion. Answer is option D, scorpion. Question number 18. Which animal smells with its tongue? Option A, crocodile, B, snake, C, leech, D, shark. Answer is option B, snake. Question number 19. Which animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? Option A, octopus, B, turtle, C, whale, D, dolphin. Answer is option A, octopus. Question number 20. Which animal has no brain and heart? Option A, seahorse, B, octopus, C, jellyfish, D, goldfish. Answer is option C, jellyfish. Guys, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe for more general knowledge video. Thank you.